my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. I am Gloria and today I am making for you garlic shrimp pasta. Comes out right every time and delicious. Can't wait to start with the recipe. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have Parmesan cheese, butter, chicken bouillon, garlic paste, parsley, salt, olive oil, 2 pounds of large shrimps, 1 package of spinach. This recipe comes out perfect every time, so let's get started. I have my water here and it's already boiling. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of table salt, just 1 or 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And I am going to add my spaghetti pasta. We're gonna cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'll see you back in a little bit. My pasta has been boiling for about 4 minutes. It is al dente. At this point, what I am going to do is just reserve some of the liquid. I'm going to reserve 2 cups of just the liquid, and then I'm going to drain my pasta. Okay, let's go drain it. We are going to leave it here for a couple of minutes before I transfer it to a pan. Okay, I am ready to transfer it. What I like to do here is put it aside. I have my spinach here. And what I love to do is just cut a little bit like this. It's already washed and rinsed. I just love to do this. And add it to my pasta while it's hot. This gives it such a beautiful color. And we're just gonna combine everything here. As you know, the spinach cooks very easily, so I do not like to cook it. I just put it raw directly to the pasta. The pasta is hot and it's going to cook the spinach. Okay, we're gonna leave it here and we're gonna start with our shrimp. My shrimp has been cleaned and deveined, and I am ready to cook it. Let's go to the stove and see how I'm gonna cook these shrimps. My pan is nice and hot. I'm gonna add my butter. I'm going to add my olive oil. At this moment, I'm gonna add my garlic paste. This smells delicious. I am going to add my chicken bouillon. And I'm going to add my shrimp. It only takes a couple minutes for the shrimp to cook. We do not want to overcook it or else they get really hard. Once they all turn pink, they are ready. At this moment, we're going to add a little bit of parsley. And we're going to mix. And I'll show you when these are ready. I want to show you from close-up how my shrimp is ready. I am ready to add the shrimp to my pasta. My shrimp is ready. I am just going to add just a little bit of the pasta liquids, just a little bit. And then I am ready to add it to my pasta. Transfer my pasta and I'm gonna add my shrimp. And we're just gonna combine everything. This looks gorgeous. The Parmesan cheese, I like to put a little bit here at this point, and I reserve some for our plates. I'll add a little bit of Parmesan. And I am ready to taste my garlic shrimp pasta. Can't wait to taste it. I'll see you in a little bit. Done with my recipe, and this is the part I love and I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. Let's see how it came out. This is pretty hot. It smells delicious. The garlic, look at this, how beautiful. And with the shrimp, whoo, I wish you were here to taste this delicious pasta. Excuse me. This came out delicious. I hope you could prepare it at home. Very easy to make, and it comes out delicious every time. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media. Don't forget to push the notification bell so whenever I make a new recipe, you are notified. Thank you so much for watching me from start to end. I really appreciate it. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Bye-bye.